Using org charts to visualize your structure. Organizational charts, org charts, are powerful tools that visually represent a company's structure, helping employees understand hierarchy, responsibilities, and communication channels. Whether you're managing a small startup or a multinational corporation, org charts provide clarity and streamlined decision-making processes. In this lesson, we'll explore different types of org charts, their benefits, and best practices for designing an effective structure. Why use org charts? Org charts offer several advantages. Clarifies roles and responsibilities. Employees understand reporting lines and who to contact for specific needs. Improves communication. Helps teams collaborate efficiently across departments. Aids in workforce planning. Visualizes staffing needs and succession planning. Enhances onboarding. New employees quickly understand company structure and their place within it. Supports change management. Assists in restructuring and organizational growth strategies. Types of organizational charts. Hierarchical org chart. The most common structure, showing a clear chain of command. Best for traditional, structured organizations with defined roles. Pros: clear reporting relationships, well-defined career progression. Cons: can create silos, slow decision-making. 2. Flat org chart. Shows minimal levels of management and emphasizes team collaboration. Best for startups and agile companies. Pros: encourages innovation, increases flexibility. Cons: can lead to role confusion and lack of clear authority. Matrix org chart. Employees report to multiple managers based on projects or functions. Best for businesses managing multiple projects simultaneously. Pros: enhances collaboration, optimizes resources. Cons: can be complex and lead to conflicts in authority. #4 divisional org chart. Divides the organization by product, geography, or customer base. Best for large corporations with diverse operations. Pros: focuses teams on specific business needs. Cons: can create duplication of resources and higher costs. Network org chart. Represents remote teams, contractors, or external partnerships. Best for companies with a global workforce or hybrid work models. Pros: encourages flexibility and leverages external expertise. Cons: requires strong communication tools to manage relationships. Best practices for creating effective org charts. 1. Keep it simple and readable. Use clear labels and logical hierarchy to avoid confusion. Avoid excessive detail that makes the chart overwhelming. 2. Use visuals to enhance clarity. Different colors or icons can highlight roles, departments, or reporting structures. Consider using software tools like Lucidchart, Microsoft Visio, or OrgWeaver. Regularly update the org chart. Organizations evolve, so keep the chart current. Ensure employees have access to the latest version. 4. Make it accessible to everyone. Store org charts in a shared platform like an intranet or HR system. Ensure visibility across departments to improve transparency. 5. Customize charts for different audiences. Leadership may need detailed charts, while employees may benefit from simplified versions. Create specialized versions for different departments if necessary. Case studies: org charts in action. 1. Google a hybrid org structure. Uses a mix of hierarchical and matrix structures for flexibility. Org charts help employees navigate project-based and functional reporting lines. 2. Apple functional org structure. Employees are grouped by expertise rather than product lines. The org chart reinforces collaboration between design, software, and hardware teams. 3. Zappos, a holacratic org model. Eliminated traditional management layers in favor of a self-organizing structure. Org charts help define roles dynamically rather than through rigid hierarchies. Final thoughts. Org charts are more than just visual representations of a company's structure. They serve as strategic tools for clarity, efficiency, and growth. Choosing the right type of org chart and keeping it updated ensures that teams remain aligned and productive. As organizations evolve, Regularly refining org charts can help maintain a clear sense of direction and collaboration. In the next lesson, we will explore how to align organizational design with company culture for long-term success.